Hi, in this video, so I'm going to show you how you can remove the parcel shelf on a Porsche Panamera. This cover thing here is not really a shelf, so it's quite fiddly on this particular car. To begin with, I want to remove it from here and here. So I'm going to grab these two bits and I'm going to wiggle it one side and then the other side, and that releases it from there, and then it springs down into there. I'm now going to get into the boot. Now, to remove this, it can be a bit fiddly, but there is a technique, and once you know the technique, it's very easy. We have this thing here, and we can push it towards the back of the car. When you do this and pull this whole thing in, it will lock into position. So we're going to do this, and we're going to push this in, like so. There, and now that's locked into position there. It will then allow us to take out this side here, and that is it. That has now been removed. Of course, then you can put your seats flat by just doing that there, and this in here, and then you can throw them completely down flat, so you've got a nice flat area to work on. Now let me just show you this bit in more detail. If I was just to push down without doing this, it doesn't quite go far enough and it springs back. That's why you have to use this catch here. And when you do the catch and push it down, it should lock into position. There you go. Did you hear that lock? So that's now locked into position there. So that will make it easy to put back. This side here is fixed, so we have to put that side in first. And because this bit here is locked into position, can you see? We've got plenty of room now, and all we have to do is release that there, and that will lock back into place. That parcel shelf is now back in. I'm just going to put the seats back up. And this thing here now needs to come back up. So I'm going to grab it here and I'm going to load in one side first until it kind of clicks into place, and then the other side there. And you can see now that it's loaded there and there. And that is it. That is now back into place again, and it's not going to spring when you close the boot. Thanks for watching.